Keeping aquarium plants alive is easier said than done, especially for beginners. Back when I worked as a plant manager at Australia's largest aquarium store, I saw plant failures so dramatic they could be cautionary legends. And most of the time, it wasn't because people were doing something wrong. It was because they chose the wrong plant for their setup. Different plants have very different needs, but beginners usually grab whatever looks good on the shelf, not realizing some plants need CO, heavy feeding, and intense lighting just to survive. So today, I present the Plant Commandments. Simple laws to keep your aquarium kingdom alive. Break them at your own risk. Commandment number 1. Thou shalt not stock thy tank with epiphytes alone. Epiphyte plants grow on rocks and wood and grow painfully slow. Anubias, Java fern, Bucephalandra, all beautiful, all slow. If your tank is filled with only these, algae will take over. Fast-growing stem plants are the guardians of the realm. They absorb excess nutrients and outcompete algae. For every slow epiphyte, pair it with at least one fast-growing stem plant and let them do the heavy lifting. Commandment number 2. Thou shalt not covet the red plants of Instagram without the Holy Trinity. Red plants demand strong light, real CO injection, and constant nutrients. Liquid CO is not real CO. It's diluted algae-cide, and it will not turn your tank into a royal garden. Red plants are for tanks that have earned their stripes. Commandment number 3. Thou shalt not judge a plant by its farm form. Many aquarium plants are grown above water. When you submerge them, they melt, drop leaves, and look like they're dying. This is normal. They're shedding their immersed leaves and growing new submerged ones. Don't throw them away. Give them time. Commandment number 4. Thou shalt honor thy weeds. Fast-growing, invasive plants are a blessing for beginners. They spread quickly and clearly show you when something is wrong. Vallisneria, water wisteria, ambulia, pearl grass, these plants teach you how balance works in an aquarium. Commandment number 5. Thou shalt research before purchasing, lest thy wallet suffer. Some plants look easy but grow slowly, attract algae, and cost a fortune. Others lose color simply because they need more light. Research protects your plants and your money. Without it, every purchase is a gamble, and thus conclude the Plant Commandments. Follow them, and your tank will thrive, your plants will live, and your sanity will remain intact. If this saved your plants, like and subscribe. May your waters stay clear, your stems grow tall, and your algae stay defeated.